Before going into the topic details, I want to bring your attention to the UPSC coaching programs offered by ClearIAS. ClearIAS offers online and offline courses to help candidates get selected for prestigious government services like IAS, IPS, or IFS. ClearIAS, Prelims cum Mains, PCM course, provides a highly effective study plan, well-organized subject-wise videos, study materials, mock exams, and guidance to cover the entire GS syllabus of UPSC CSE Prelims, Mains, and Interview systematically. As a limited-period offer, there is a 40% discount on our online courses. Enroll now.
Now, what do you mean by equality? Equality means absence of special privileges. Absence of special privileges. What is equality? Absence of special privileges. Fine. Now, article number 14. Article number 14 says that the state shall not discriminate. Okay. The state shall not discriminate individuals with equality before law or equal protection of law within the territory of India. Within the territory of India. The state shall not prohibit individuals with equality before law or equal protection of law within the territory of India. So this is what is provided in article number 14 of the Indian Constitution. What does it say? So equality before law means all are equal before law. All are equal before law. Fine. So equality before law means all are equal before law. Now what do you mean by equal protection of law? Equal protection of law means, sir, you are giving some special consideration for those wants in the society. Say, for example, if there is a poor person, you give scholarship, isn't it? If there are unrepresented society, community in the individual, you provide with reservation. So can you say that it is violation of equality? No, we are providing with a special consideration. So, equal protection of law means you are specially considering some backward communities, okay, or underprivileged communities. So, this is the difference between equality before law and equal protection of law. Equal protection of law means you are providing some special consideration, and equality before law means the law is equal for all. Does not matter rich or poor. Does not matter physically able or disabled. Law is equal for all. That is the difference between equality before law and equal protection of law. So what does article number 14 says? The state shall not discriminate individuals with equality before law or equal protection of law within the territory of India. Very good. Article number 15 says there shall not be any discrimination or there shall be no discrimination on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. There shall be no discrimination on grounds only of religion. But if you are the citizens of India, this is what article number 15 says. Article number 16 says that there should be equality of job opportunities. Okay, equality of job opportunities. Or you may say that there should be no monopoly. You can't say that you belong to this particular caste, this particular religion. So you will be having that monopoly in public employment. No, sir. It should be open for all the citizens of India as an equal opportunity. Article number 16 says, sir, but why we have reservations? Why do we have reservations then? That is the question. You say that it is equality in the public employment and still you are providing reservation, isn't it? So understand, my dear friends, reservation. Why reservation? Because the preamble of the Indian Constitution says about the equality of opportunity and status. Fine. Equality of opportunity and status. So reservations are provided to maintain that equality. Say, for example, the poor people, the SC/STs, the tribals. Do you think that at the same level they are represented in the government jobs? No. Can you name 100 IAS officer from tribal community? No. And that is the reason why we are specially considering them. So can you say that, sir, I am not provided with reservation? This tribal person is provided with reservation. You are violating my equality. No, my dear friends, you can't say that, because article number 16(4) says that reservation does not violate equality. Okay. Reservation does not violate equality. So reservation, is it a violation of equality? No, my dear friends, it is not violation of equality. We are specifically considering certain sections of individuals or communities for their upliftment to provide a level playing field. Fine. So that is it. Article number 15 and 16 of the Indian Constitution. Now, what does article number 17 says? Article number 17, what does it say? Article number 17. Article number 17 speaks about the abolition of untouchability. Abolition of untouchability. We does not want any of its forms, be it film, be it picture, be it jokes. Sorry, does not matter. We does not want untouchability to be practiced in the society. And article number 18 speaks about the abolition of titles. Abolition of titles. Sir, why does it come under the right to equality? Why does abolition of titles come under the right to equality? See, when you see or when you try to understand article number 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Say, for example, article number 14 says, there shall not be any discrimination, or the individual shall not be, the state shall not discriminate individuals on or in equality before law or equal protection of law within the territory of India, isn't it? So what does it do? It tried to uplift the individuals and put the individual on this platform, isn't it? There shall not be discrimination means the underprivileged should not be discriminated. So you should pick that person and provide him with a level playing field. This is what is article number 14 says. What does article number 15 say? There shall not be discrimination on grounds of only religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Sir, what you are doing? Sir, there may be discrimination on the ground of your religion, your caste, your sex or place of birth in the past. Now we does not want that. So you are again uplifting and putting them on the same platform. So article number 15 also does the same thing. 16, equality in public employment. What you are doing? You are telling the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe that you does not go far behind. You are provided with a reservation. Come forward. You will also be provided with equality in public employment. So come forward. This is what is article number 16. Article number 17, abolition of untouchability. There may be historic experience of untouchability in the past, but now we does not want that. The underprivileged come over, take the platform. So article number 17 also does this thing. What does article number 18 do? 18 provides for the abolition of titles. So what kind of titles? The titles like Raja, Banda Bahadur, Raja Bahadur, those dynastic titles, not on the basis of merit, but on the basis of birth. So you are not allowing the usage of that title means you say some individuals that, sir, you may be privileged. Okay. You may be privileged by birth. Now, give away the title and come down. All these articles, 14, 15, 16, 17 was uplifting. 18 is making the person give away the title, come down and be equal in the society. This is what is the difference of article number 18 in comparison to all the other articles under the head of right to equality. Fine. So article number 18 asks certain privileged individuals by birth that you come down, giving away the title and you start living like an ordinary citizen of India. You are not going to be privileged by birth. You are not a special person if you have the title like Raja, Banda Bahadur, Sheikh Bahadur. No. You are not supposed to be a special person. Please come down. Please come down, settle in the normal platform and live like an ordinary individuals. You are no more Raja Bahadur or Raja Banda Bahadur. No. You does not have such titles or you are not supposed to use such titles in the Indian society further. So give away such kind of titles. We are abolishing such kind of titles. Come down, be the ordinary citizen of India. So this is how equality is being achieved.